Alright, so we're in the vehicle. So what we need to do is we need to flash our module, and we also need to get a copy of our installation guide if you didn't previously print one, and highlight it. So first thing that we're going to do is we take our WebLink mobile. There's 3 connections that you're going to have on this. One is a power. So I have this running down to my OBD2 port. You can also unplug and plug right into a cigarette lighter if you have a constant. You have your 4-pin data connection, which we're going to go ahead and just plug into our DC3. And last but not least, you have your device. So in this case, we have an iPad. You can use your phone, Android, or Apple. So we're going to go ahead and detect our module. Flash by vehicle. Nissan. So we're doing a 2012 Murano. 2009 to 2014 are all the same. Push to start. RF kit. There's our firmware. Alrighty, so now we have all of our options. So this is where we have our runtime. If in this case we're going to be adding on the Alarmit kit, so we want to go ahead and enable our security. Flash now. When it flashes, it's automatically going to flash your RF decoder as well as the firmware for the vehicle. So if you're using your computer, just so you guys know, the classic mode, you're able to flash the decoder separately. So with the new blue sight, it does it all in one shot. So we're getting our green flashes here, just showing that it's writing the firmware onto our DC3. Green flash. Alright, so now our firmware is written. So now you're able to view your install guide. Alrighty, so once your installation guide pulls up, this is going to give you all of your connectors. Now, this particular installation's on page 298 of a guide that's 306 pages. So sometimes it can take a little long on the tablet, which is why I like to kick it old school sometimes, and I'll print out and actually have my guide with me. Not only is this going to do something like when you're done with your install, you're not going to have to turn your tablet back on. It's going to be something on the floor. But also you have your programming procedure, which I like to staple right to the back. So, to each their own. You also have the ability, from the app here, there is a icon in the upper left hand corner. It's going to allow you to print it. So if your tablet, phone is on a network that has a printer, you can print this guide and do it all in the same way. And that's how we flash our module.